What to do, y'all? Resonant IQ Williams, aka the Future Planner. Now, in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you some valuable tips on what you could do when you're uploading products to Amazon. You know what to look for and how can you tell that you have a high selling item. Okay. Now, mostly a lot of people are trying to get into FBA, which is what I'm trying to get into. But also, as far as like with drop shipping, I kind of pretty much have a team that actually does it for me. But if you want to do this on your own and you can't have a, excuse me, you can't afford to hire your own team or anybody like that, then you can just basically just follow these simple steps. And it kind of pretty much let you know if you're heading in the right direction or not when you're selling items online. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna show you some results that I've had in the fourth quarter. Now, most of the people that don't know what the fourth quarter is basically when the holiday season comes around. And once the holiday season come around, then that's when people usually end up making their money, a lot of money. Whoop, password incorrect. Hold up. And I gotta log in. I gotta get my phone up. There we go. All right. So now, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna show you some results that I've been having in the past. During the fourth quarter, in the past month. Somewhat today. Today I've kind of had a slow day today. So, but as you can see right here, I got orders that need to go out. I got like 17 orders that have to go out. This is what I was paid out, on the just last week. Not to, just last week I was just paid out this, well, not last week, but the week that just passed, this past Thursday. And this right here is what they owe me so far. So it's kind of getting up there like it should be, but and right here, as you can see, that I made 10 grand within 30 days, and this is how much I made today, which is $143, which is off of 3 sales. Again, I'm kind of having a slow day today. So the thing is that this is what you kind of want to fight for, shoot for, at least 5-figure months, because a lot of times, when that profit start, once you start hitting your margins, start hitting your numbers and everything like that, then that's when you start really just being into a lot of profit, especially during the weekly. You still can live off of this, but you want to kind of be able to have enough to be able to invest more. So now, how did I end up getting these kind of sales, and how do I go about looking for my products online, or what do I need to look for? You basically can find anything that sells, anything that's trending. And what I mean by that is like, anything that's trending right now, it's easy for you to put it up on Amazon because Amazon, by it being I ain't gonna, yeah, a multi-million dollar company, which is basically a billion dollar company, that you can easily make, and they just made $1 billion within just the holiday seasons alone. Now, if you can just get a piece of that, then that'll basically, I mean, that'll be real good. You see what I'm saying? So that's why I tell people a lot of times that you want to kind of get into Amazon if you can. And once you follow their rules and regulations, sometimes I have points to where like, you might have a lot of customers that, want a lot of returns and stuff like that. But I mean, pretty much you can kind of let that blow over if you can. If they shut you down, just find a way to be able to open another one up. I've been shut down twice and I was able to get mine back up. So it's ways that you can get back up, but it's also other ways that I usually teach in my course that can put you back on track. So even if you did lose your Amazon account, there is another way that you can get back on. It's just that you have to use different methods. All right. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you I'm just going to give you some tips on what you can look for. Okay, so the first thing, let's say that you're fresh and you're brand new and you want to really know how you can just get jump started, figure out what items to pick. All right, so what you want to do is number one, you want to find some items that weigh at least 1 pound. All right, 1 pound, and no more than 1 pound. The reason why I say it is because it's real light and let's say that you have a return on it. Well, if you have a return on it, it's a real life product. When they send it back to your house or wherever you're gonna have it shipped back to, whatever address you have it shipped back to, then you won't have to worry about having a big package come to your house and you try to figure out what to do with it. If you trying to figure out if you're gonna resell it or not. So it's just one little package, and you can basically send that to Amazon, and the shipping costs will be low. So that's number one. Number two, you want to strive to have the lowest ranking possible. So whatever item it is, the lower the ranks, the better it is. Okay, so you want to strive between having one, the rankings of 1 and 1,000. Between 1 and 1,000 is real, real good. Now, if you're like in the health and wellness industry, I would say you don't want to go no more than 80,000. So, but some of them are categories of difference, but I usually try to strive for something that's less than one, like, just less than, like, so many pounds, because once you get into the heavier the item is, the more the shipping cost is going to be. Okay. Also, you want to make sure that you sell items that's at least at $10 and no less than $10, no more than $60. Okay, because when you start selling more than $60, that's when the shipping costs starting to get a little bit higher, and the packages might get a little bit heavier. Just depending on what you're selling. Okay, so that's the way I usually would do mine. All right, now a lot of people ask, can you get paid every day on Amazon? Yes, you can. The qualifications for that is that, of course, you have to have an Amazon account. You have to have a valid ID, driver's license, whatever you can show. And you want to make sure that you're making at least 2 grand for 3 months straight. So once you make that, if you meet those qualifications, then you should be good. They'll be able to qualify you through a company called Payability. And with Payability, if you do get on with them, they give you a referral. They give you $150 just for starting with them. If you refer somebody, they give you not only do they give them $150, but they give you $300 just for referring them. Okay, so that's a real good thing. But as far as, like, getting paid, Amazon basically pays out every 2 weeks. But if you can get through Payability, it's a lot better because you get paid every single day. You don't want to have to wait 2 weeks for your money to be able to cover your orders. So that's the way I usually did mine. That's how I did mine. So anyway, so let's go to how you can find some products. Okay, so this is what you want to do. What you want to do is you want to go to Google and type in Amazon's best selling items. Okay, and once you go here, you're going to go to, see, we're going to scroll down a little bit, and you're going to go right here where it says Amazon.com bestsellers, the most popular items on Amazon. You're going to click on this, and once you click on this, it's going to give you the top selling items on Amazon that's moving real, real fast, because that's what you want. Okay, so we're just going to go through an example. Like, for example, also, you want to stay away from items that are breakable, like light bulbs or anything that's hazardous, like TVs and stuff, electronics, anything that's kind of breakable, that's, kind of damaging to your products. You don't want to sell those because you have a high return rate, and it's easy for people to say that. So let's go to, like, I would say, for example, let's go to over here. You want to go to one of these categories. Let's go to just gonna pick one. Let's go to, like, pet supplies. All right. So you go to pet supplies. You're gonna basically find something that's, again, between $10 to $60. All right. So let's say, for example, all right, you also want to look at the reviews too. See, these are selling. These are really, really selling, because for every review, for every 30 sales, you will get one review. So this is selling a whole lot because it's based on the reviews. It's selling a lot. So we're just gonna look up anything. Let's look up, for example, let's look up these gloves. All right. Now, when you find something that's high selling, your key thing is you want to be able to find these same exact gloves, whether it's on eBay, whether it's on Walmart, whether it's home, I'm just putting some stuff out there. Anything that you pretty much can find cheaper or you can order online, you can drop ship it. Okay. So what you want to do is you want to find something that you want to be able to make a profit from. Okay. So, but for right now, I'm just showing you exactly how you can find or determine what to look for when it's high selling. And, you basically find high selling products on here that you can probably promote. So right here we got like 2,800 reviews, and then the second thing is it's at least $10 or more, between $10 and $60. That's good. And this is how we're going to determine if it's selling real fast. Okay, so you're going to scroll down, and when you scroll down, you're going to go to where it's product descriptions. It's going to be like there about product descriptions. And I don't know why my computer is freezing up, but these are the reviews. You want to also look at the reviews too, because the reviews will tell you, if it's a good product and things like that. So here we go, product details. And this is what you want to look for. Amazon's best-selling ranks, and it's a number 4 in the pet supplies department. So that means it's moving real fast. So this is definitely a good product that you can promote. So in the pet area, so what you would do is you would go to Amazon, and once you go to Amazon's back office, which is what I show you in my coaching and my training, how to upload a product. I'll be able to show you how to upload it. It's basically all you do is just go to inventory, and you want to make sure that you can sell it first. So we can go right here to Amazon, and we're going to scroll up to inventory just to give you an example. So we're going to go to manage inventory and add a product, or you can go to catalog and add products. And the way that you add products is you're going to go right here, and you want to copy the ASIN number, which is going to be located right here for this product. So you want to go and you want to copy it, and you want to go right here to where it says search. Scroll down a little bit. Where it says list a new product, you're going to paste it right here in this area, and you're going to hit search. Now hit search. You're going to go right here. It's going to bring this product up, and you want to sell all new products. You don't want to sell no used products. If it doesn't give you the option to be able to get, sell a new product, you don't want to list it. Okay. So right here, you're gonna hit right here. It's gonna say sell yours. If it doesn't say sell yours, that means you probably have to get it what they call ungated, or you have to put in an application to be able to sell this product. So you're gonna put sell yours. And once you click sell yours, because you want to make sure that you can sell it, you're going to match the price. So you're going to basically fill this out. So they got this listed for $24.99. Just list the price for $24.99. And then you're going to hit quantity. I'll say about 5. Then you're going to select what condition. And like I said, see right here, it says everything is used, but very good and everything. But you don't want to hit anything used, and most of the time they're not going to have anything new. And you can choose right here, I want to ship this item myself. You want to click on that right there, or you want Amazon to ship it, then that means you got to send the items to FBA. So but that's basically what you would do, and then you would hit save and finish. So once you hit save and finish, then your item will be live within 15 minutes. So, but that's basically it. That's what I wanted to really show you. Just wanted to give you some tips on what you want to look for and how you want to be able to search for a product when you're selling on Amazon. So, well, hopefully this helped you right here. I just wanted to give you a little bit of value. And like I said, if you need anything, if you got any questions about Amazon, period, about drop shipping, or you want to take up my coaching class, comment below, like this page, and subscribe or whatever. And I'm going to leave some additional information for you to reach out to me in this description video below. So tune in, y'all. Resident IQ at Williams. Hopefully this helped you make plans for your life. Don't let life make plans for you. Peace out.